Right, I've got a new door handle. There's a different problem on this one than what's on the board and cable. I'm going to take it off, respray it. When I take it off, I'll show you what the difference was. You need to take the airbag off, disconnect the battery. You need to do this, otherwise you're going to get an airbag warning light. I think this is a replacement. If you look at those wires, looks like it's been spliced in, completely different to what's on the airbag. It makes sense because when you look at the door looks like it's been, I don't know if you can see that, it's been pushed out on that metal bar. The metal bar inside, not that one you want to so I think the airbag's actually gone. So this is the metal bar. I think must have pushed it out and just put that ridge on the door. Right, I've got a screw in here somewhere at the bottom I need for this lock. I don't know if I can get it out. Don't even think I can see it. Right, this is the problem I found with this. That tooth there isn't as long as that tooth there. It looks a bit worn. Yeah, if you compare it with the new one I got, that tooth is a lot longer. I think that plays a part, a serious part. I think this one, the original one I had on, it's just a little bit short and it's just not operating the mechanism on the car. So it gives problems opening the door all the time. So what I want to do is I need a give it a bit of a sand. Zoom back out again. Give this one a bit of a sand. I've already got the paint for this. I'm just going to go straight on with this one. I'm not going to prime it or anything. I'm just going to get it whizzed off as quick as I can and get it back on the car. Right, this is the paint I've got. Double acrylic, BMW Titanium Silver. 354 is the code for this one. Let's get it on. Right, here we go. I want to get some on the inside. Oh great, it's reacting. Right. Okay. I'll have to leave that for a bit and see how it turns out. Oh, great. Right. I'm just going to give this a quick blast. Just light touches, nothing too heavy. Just lay on like a dust layer, as it will. That's all I want to do for that one. I've already think I've put a little bit too much on there. Jesus. Okay, maybe. Okay. I would say that's a little bit thick on the sides. I might be lucky, I might get away with it. It might just might dry out. Come back in 5-10 minutes, see what it's like. Resist the temptation to put too much on. Now, I've just been to buy got some of this quick dry clear lacquer paint gloss. So once this is all sorted out, I'm going to get as many coats on as I can, so that looks like that. Yep, so these are the three that I'm going to be using. I've got the double acrylic titanium silver there. It's the main colour. I've got my spray filler. Probably could use any kind of filler, but it's what I had. And then the clear lacquer. I know what you want. A little bit of a thicker coat on this time. Getting smoother. Okay, it's the next day. The one on the left is the new one. The one on the right was the original one. Look very good. The one on the left looks a little bit grey in sunlight. Well, it depends on how the light shines on it. I mean, that looks the same there. Maybe it's a little bit greyer there. It's strange. That would be all the metallics. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's put it on the car. not sure if I want to do this in case it doesn't open. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Right. So, that's both the doors done. The bonnet should be fixed. I think I've done enough for the MOT. I'm going to put the battery back on and start it up and have a look at it.